Santa.
Madison. Is that from your friend Dakota? No, it's open, sweetie. Get the other one, Madison. Open the other one. From Sally. I'm going for that one. That's from Sky. Abigail. Open it, Abby. Abby. Tell me what you got, Ab. Get it? Oh, you're a good opener. No. Madison. No. Open a gift. Madison. Open the paper. What you got from Sky? It says Australia something. Madison, quit chewing the paper. We're going to have a short delay. Get this. Go Madison. Go Madison. Oh, you're a good unwrapper. Get it, man. Say heck, I don't need any help. Ooh, is that pretty? Show me. Show me your new scarf. Okay, monster woman. What you got? Ooh, Madison. Oh, we're going back for another. What you got? Bring it over here. Take it. Maddie, take it. What's next? Does it have your name on it? Oh, that's Abby's, sweet pea. That's Abigail's. Okay, time out.